They certainly don't have large oil. They have to import. Yeah, third largest import of oil and ship from.
Yes.
Why don't you say something? This is Alec.
This is Alec.
Did you go out and get some candy?
Yeah. You can call him Amanda Hug and Kiss.
Alec, right here on my old tape recorder, you're calling me Amanda Hug and Kiss.
Yep.
That ain't right. You had fun trick-or-treating over here.
Yeah. Yeah.
What'd you think about taking that fake kid out?
It was funny.
Can you believe I go get a candy to a fake kid?
Can't believe it.
We took a fake kid out trick-or-treating. Now, this fake kid we had dressed up in a, what was he dressed up like?
Scooby-Doo.
Yeah, we had him dressed up in a Scooby-Doo outfit with a black cape on, and he looked like about a 4-year-old boy.
Yeah.
And I carried him around like he was sleeping. And one guy goes, little guy hadn't had his nap yet, didn't he?
Yeah, exactly.
And then when you said my candy was getting too heavy to carry, I says, this fake kid is getting too heavy to carry, didn't I?
Yeah.
What do you got there? Monster?
It was a monster. I don't remember his name. These guys are arch enemies.
You like those guys?
Yeah, they're arch enemies.
Huh. But you want soldiers, huh?
Yeah.
What kind of soldiers?
Army soldiers.
Have you seen any that you like?
Yeah.
Where?
In that box.
In the box in the game room?
Yeah.
He found my box of toy soldiers in the game room. And we got to play toy soldiers. He set up his army, and I set up my army. And I think he used chemical warfare or some kind of gas technology where one of his soldiers snuck over the enemy lines and they cracked off a big fart or something because it blew all my soldiers up, didn't it?
Yeah.
I don't think it's fair to use that kind of technology in
Not really.
So did one of you guys, one of your soldiers have some real powerful gas problem or something?
Probably. He ate 10 cheeseburgers and a Big Mac.
Oh yeah? Did he have any White Castles?
Probably.
I don't know. It must have been pretty bad because when I got back, every one of my soldiers was blown over like an atomic bomb hit or something.
Let's talk to the phone callers.
Huh?
Let's talk to the phone callers.
What do you want to say to the phone callers?
You win $10 million in 2 seconds.
Will you come here and say it to them?
You win $2 million in 10 seconds.
What do they got to do for it?
You got a fist for bottom.
So, do you want to say anything to your YouTube fans?
What's up?
Is that it?
Yeah.
Thanks for watching.
The Cool Man Show.
The what?
The Cool Man Show.
Yeah, thanks for watching the Cool Man Show featuring Alec Perry.
Sellers. And, Howie Filter Snacks / Darth Sellers.
What'd you say you got? Balls of steel. Right.
I had balls of steel.
So stay away from magnets, right?
Yeah, stay with magnets. All the go is just like this. Snap apart.
If they snap, then balls will still snap together. Balls will still snap together.
No, the magnets would just break. They're so hard.
It could give fettuccine weenie. Ain't that right?
Yep.
And nobody wants fettuccine weenie.
Wait, I'm not a woman hater.
No, he wants... Alec wants to get under Cole Sprouse's bed and see if Lady Gaga is really under there, huh? What you want to say, 10-4? Love, peace, and hair grease?
Love, peace, and hair grease.
Alright, anything else?
Not late.
Okay, let's see if this old technology still works.